Good morning. I'm Janie Jarrett from Baxter Springs. I'm your independent Norwex consultant, and I'm here to talk to you about the different options we have for the kitchen. What I like to tell people at parties is that when they ask me what's the difference between the Enviro cloth and the kitchen cloth, and I explain to them that the Enviro cloth is my cleaning lady and the kitchen cloth is my wife, okay? The cleaning lady comes to the house once a week, once a month in emergencies when we have a really big mess, and she cleans all that up. And she's a workhorse. She doesn't have to look pretty. She doesn't put her makeup on because she's here just to work, and that's all she does. My wife is my kitchen cloth. This is going to hang around in my kitchen and be here all the time. She lives here. And so she is what I use to wipe off counters. She has little ridges that can pick up the crumbs and sugar and things like that off the counter. And she can do just as much work as this Enviro cloth, but she's not made for big jobs. She's smaller and she's more attractive. We always want the wife to be more attractive than the cleaning lady, right? And then she also has a matching towel. So you can hang her in the kitchen and she can dry a few dishes through the week. She can dry her hands on that every time she washes them when she's cooking. And she can wipe her countertops and her microwave and any surfaces she needs to with this kitchen cloth, okay? And then finally, the third cloth is the netted dishcloth. This little gadget is the dishwasher. It hangs around and does dishes and scrubs lots of cooked on food. You can tie it in a knot and it'll scrub cooked on food off of cooking surfaces. And it's just there for that. It's not good for wiping counters because it holds a ton of water, which is amazing because that also means that it holds a ton of soap. So you can use any dishwashing liquid you want with it. So we have the cleaning lady, which is the Enviro cloth, comes out once a week, does the deep cleaning jobs. The kitchen cloth is out every single day, wiping off counters after you fix your lunches, has a matching towel, so they're always pretty, and you have a lot of choices in terms of color. And then finally, we have the netted dishcloth that is the dishwasher. Thanks for listening, and I hope you get the most out of your Norwex.